Hello traders, the title of the video is how to recognize the base overbought stochastic signal. Have you been using the stochastic indicators? Are you a number one, a fan of the stochastic indicator? Do you consider yourself as a stochastic trader? All right. Today I want to share with you how one can recognize the base overbought stochastic signal. All right. So there are many ways we can recognize the base stochastic signal, but today I will just show you one example. All right. So this is not the only example, but there are other examples out there. I will give it to you today so you do not forget this one. All right. Normally, the base overbought stochastic will occur in a downtrend when the price is in a declining channel. This is the best time. All right. One should look for the base overbought stochastic indicator. All right. So when the price form a new lower low, here it is, in a declining channel, so a new lower low in comparison to the prior low, the price form a new lower low, and then it rally up to retest the edge of the declining channel. At the same time, when the stochastic is overbought, that will constitute one of the best overbought stochastic trading setup that will generate the best overbought stochastic signal. In a downtrend, price form a new lower low, rally up to retest the edge of the declining channel. But this is not what I want to show you today. The reason why I choose another example is that traders very often, all right, will be itching, so to speak, to sell when the price is going up. Now, normally one should not attempt to sell a financial instrument that is going up. It's like stopping, a fast trend, all right? So it's better to try to sell a financial instrument if it is going down. That's why we want that rally to the edge of the declining channel in a downtrend, and then we use a top-down trading method to sell it down. But sometimes we can sell. There is one example here. This is what I want to show you now. So you can see that the stochastic is overbought. This I'm using all the time. Okay, you can call it Georgia setting. It's 833. I never use any. This is my number one stochastic setting, 833. All right. So you can see that the stochastic is overbought. It's in the zone of 19. 833 is overbought in the zone of 19. And you can see that people were trying to sell. You can see this candlestick bar got a shadow here. And this one got a bit of shadow. This one was a little bit bearish. There are reasons why people are trying to sell it here. All right. So for 1 month, you see that it came down a bit. But there is one small mistake that those traders are making. Though we have a trend line there, which I talked about before. You see, the project, you see the angle between the green trend line and the red trend line. We project it up on the same vertical line, and we draw a line that is passing through this point, allow us to draw the orange line. So the price was at a hidden resistance level. Professionals know that that's what they are selling here using the stochastic. But there is a small mistake that those traders are making. That's what I want to show you so you do not forget it. If you look carefully here, the price form a round bottom. Okay, what have I said before? I said to traders at 24 Stock Trader YouTube channel that the price does not go up for no reason. It's always headed to a specific price target level. Now, if you are day trading, swing trading, and position trading, or investing in a financial market, and you forget that, well, the professional will use you as a football. They will play you round. So this is what the mistake that traders are making here. Though there is a resistance here, which is the orange trend line, professionals set a target right there by projecting the depth of that round bottom right there. So in order to find, okay, you want to sell when the price is going up using the stochastic 833, do me a favor, ask yourself, where is the target level? And when the price reaches the target level and the stochastic is overbought, you have, okay, more chance to succeed in selling the financial instrument. Why? Doesn't mean that it will definitely go down, all right, which I will explain to you in another video, all right? But it has more chance to go down a bit because those who bought it, okay, here, know that they should be prepared to take profit here. So as the price reaches that level, they will be prepared to take some profit. So you do not want to be the only person trying to sell it when everybody else is buying, because in fact what you are doing is a contra trend. You want to sell something that is going up. So the only time that you want to sell something that is going up is when those who are buying it are prepared to take some profit. That's the only time that you can sell it. So you have to combine the overbought stochastic with the profit target level. There are more to this that we can do. So here we are. So those who are trying to sell it now have a good reason, but they are stuck between, okay, that profit target level and the orange trend line. You can see that they sold it gently to the orange trend line. So they are squeezed to a certain degree because there's another support here. They don't have enough room for the price to go down. So once you see that the price at the target level and the stochastic is overbought, it's not, okay, a green card to just sell, all right? You need to apply what we call a different time frame trading method. So as I see that this, okay, is now at the target level, I'm on a monthly chart. I will implement what we call a different time frame trading method. Because the trading setup is on the daily chart, if I want to swing trade, I'll come down to the hourly time frame because I know now that we are at the target level at $55.27. Now I come to the daily chart waiting for a clear cut signal. Though the price is at a target level and the stochastic is also overbought, it's not, okay, all right? It's not a warrant, okay, to sell it. We can only sell it if we have a clear-cut signal to sell it. So now I'm on the daily chart, start drawing some line here. You see connecting this point and this one here. You can see that there is no signal yet to sell. All right? If I want to sell it now, okay. Hold on, please. Okay, there's no signal to sell. Price is still going up. You see, from a new high, pull back here on the daily chart. So, in this scenario, the way I draw, if you look carefully on my chart, the way I draw my trend line, connecting this point on the daily chart, I would prefer it to break below that trend line and to retest it. That will constitute my sell signal, or to form a bearish chart pattern in this zone. There's another scenario that I'm a bit reluctant to talk about, is that if the price is forming a triangle, you see, pay attention to the blue line, okay, a triangle here, so it's like going 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, bouncing, couldn't go above the 55, which we will have something like a small triangle. Do you agree? Something like that. That's a small triangle here, this section here. All right. Then we will, if it goes up like this to that 55.33, am I talking to myself? Came back down and go back again to the same zone, that will constitute a consolidation in a triangle. Therefore, like those traders that sold it here, okay, after that common settlement is kaput, we will do exactly the same thing, but I will prefer it the third time. So I will prefer bounce one more time, come back down, go back one more time, the third time, and then if the common sense trend line like it is here happen to breaks, then we will sell it gently. The advantage of doing that here in this case is because we can hide our stop loss behind that 55.33. But if you want to be very conservative trader, you don't want to take too much risk, you allow it to come out of to break below that blue trend line, to retest it here, and then you will go to the hourly time frame to enter the trade. If the signal fell, meaning that the price go back inside, start going up, you will close that trade and run away. All right. So in order to improve your overbought stochastic trading, or to recognize the best overbought stochastic signal in this case, we want to combine the overbought stochastic with a price at a profit target level. It's a conversion point. Price reaches a conversion point in an uptrend. It's a contra trend that we want to sell, okay? So we want to allow those who are buying the stock start selling it because they want to take profit. The bullish trader must sell. As they are selling, we join them and we sell together. All right, but you can see if I go back again to the monthly chart, but we will only sell if there is a signal to sell, and we will apply a top-down trading method. As you can see here, as the stochastic was overbought for some time here, and people were trying to sell it, but in the mind of those who were pushing it up, they have a target level. They want a price. They will be happier if the price reach the target level. Now, if the price reach the target level and bearish traders try to sell it, bullish traders will make capitulate, which means they don't want to erase their profit, so they will try to cash out quickly before their profit evaporates. All right, you understand? So suppose you buy here, and now you know that you are at the target level. So when the price reach the target level, what do? We keep eyes on it. We don't want anybody to take away our profit, yes or no? So we are watching it carefully. So if some daring, courageous bearish traders start selling, and we see that the price start coming down, we may decide to close that trade profitably straight away before they take more than 30% of our profit, yes or no? That's how we will do. All right? You don't want them to erase your profit. That's what you will do. So there is a psychological effect. If the stochastic is overbought at the price target level, it will give you more chance that it end up being a profitable trade. I'm not saying that it will definitely be a profitable trade, but it is a high probability overbought a stochastic setup that will generate a valid signal. But as always, it's not because the stochastic 833 is overbought at the time when the price is at the profit target level that constitute that warrant a sell signal automatically. We must use a different time frame trading method to control the risk. Otherwise, you'll be running like this. You see here, when the stochastic was overbought all this time, the price continued to go up. You don't want to fight that. As I told you, there are other best overbought stochastic signal, and I will be highlighting them also. But to put it to you now, if you are looking for the best overbought stochastic, they usually occur in a declining channel when the price exhibits a new lower low and then rally up to retest the top of the declining channel, and the stochastic is overbought. This is a trading setup. Now we must implement a different time frame trading method. If you want to know how to apply a different time frame trading method for the weekly chart, the monthly chart, even the yearly chart and the daily chart, you need to check our playlist, multiple time frame trading videos, a playlist at the 24 Stock Trader YouTube channel. All right. This is the end of this tutorial. If you have any question or suggestion, feel free to put in the comment section, and in due course, I will be recording another video to answer your specific question. I am recording this video today because there was a recent comment about the stochastic, whether the stochastic, blah, blah, blah. All right, so I think that I should now, again, one more time, start posting videos about stochastic, because traders are taking more interested in this, a powerful momentum oscillator. If you find this video truly useful, feel free to give us the thumbs up. If you think that, George, this is another blah 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 blah, alright, let us know by giving us the thumbs down. If you think that this is an essential stochastic trading video, alright, feel free to share it on Google+, on Twitter, and also on Facebook. Until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. We are the STW24 traders talking about how to recognize the best overbought stochastic signal. Happy trading to you all and speak to you soon.